Welcome back to Stock to Off-Road Machines, another epic video by us. As always, remember to storm out, have an epic adventure of your own. Four-wheel drives are not made to sit there and be a polished showpiece in the car park taking the kids to school day in, day out. So get off the beaten track, get those battle wounds, get those scratches, put the dents in the car, and remember the epic stories to tell the mates at the bar and tell them what you've got up to that weekend.
Yeah, car may not be running at the moment, but we've bought more mods because why not? You don't need drivers who can use it. So I've gone out for a rooftop tent. I've signed on 2 litres instead of swag up every time. Rooftop tent, folds out, job done. And Black Friday sales, nice and cheap. We'll get into it, we'll rip it open. See what we're looking at. This is my first time seeing a rooftop tent. Now we just have to flip it over and open it up. Going back there. Guessing it goes this way.
Oh, you guessed right.
Ah, more come.
Boat.
It's a bit windy today if the audio's bad. Audio's flat. The carport's also filthy because we're in middle projects. Okay. All in plastic. We'll attempt to cut it open like that. Very thin plastic. This one's with a telescopic ladder covered with it. Bit weighty, it's good. Yeah. Oh, I don't think I do. I think I've ate all the chocolate already. Throw that one in the boat. So we got the ladder, that's good for 150 kilos. That was for most people. Don't need those. That one folds out, you clip that one to the side, I believe. It's 2.1 tall. So hopefully it reaches the top of the car. Yep, that'll work. Feels like it's good fine. Alright, you got all the little release jobs here. Trying to pinch your fingers doing it. Ow, like that one.
And where and how did you get this, Michael?
Just randomly looking online and yeah, seeing Black Friday sales. So I've saved $1,500 on it, supposedly. No doubt they'll stay cheaper than what they were. I figured, good deal, we may as well just jump on it and see how it goes. Yeah. Okay, that's the big one, it's the 140 centimetre one. So it easily fit 3 people in it, supposedly. Yeah. Let's have a look on the bottom side here. Oh, it's quite good quality. Aluminium slats. Looks quite good. Obviously you've got mounting points in here somewhere. Hopefully. Okay, looks like you may need to buy your own mounting points. My own bolts will fit through there. Real easy.
Yeah, M8s.
Yep. Yeah, that's actually going to work out really good. Yeah.
Do you reckon it'll fit your 4-wheel drive, or do you reckon there'll be a bit of overhang?
It will fit. We'll make it fit. Currently, no. The warning on the side there that no one's actually seen yet. Haven't been able to test it yet. But yeah, that's going to come out a fair way. Oh, that's right. You don't have to reach that. Yeah. Oh, that's about it for unboxing. I'll try to find these brackets, hopefully. Or we'll just make something work. It's a bit easy enough.
Josh?
Then when we touch base next, it'll be installing.
Mom.
And remember, always storm out and have an epic adventure.
Mommy, come on.
Alright.
Okay, after we were hitting the bag, just go like this. Oh, something right here. So we have popped the cover off. I haven't actually looked inside the bag yet. So you got your boot bag that hangs off the side to keep your tent all clean. In there, it's a package. Important information? No thanks. Okay, we have there's a bolt thing in there. Something interesting in here. Oh, yes! New screwdriver. Can't go wrong. 10mm, 8mm. That's always good. Couple of Allen keys. A few different bolts here. Hot rivets. What?
Well, it
Okay,
did have
rivets.
holes down the side of it.
Yeah.
They were random, but they were on every single bit of metal strip.
Yeah. Okay. Aha. This is what we want. Now we got your clamp brackets. They actually feel really good. Nice thick rubber on them. I like mine, it's just cheap foam. That should be good. And yeah, they'll be nicely around the King's rack or even a Rhino rack. That should be quite good on. There your bolts will slide down the rails. Hold it all down with nice not wing nuts. Nice nuts you can easily undo or tighten so it doesn't come off like someone else's roof rack.
Mud crawlers.
Mud crawlers that would be. The Parado. And you got some instructions. We'll have a quick flick. This one with the gas struts. So you just pull it and it sets itself up. Right, everything that should be in there. There's a quick bit how to mount it as well.
Awesome. So it does come with the installment parts.
Yep, and the tools. That's
And the
not
tools.
very common. They always give you Allen keys, not screwdrivers and spanners.
Sweet.
Should be right.
Alright. Done.
Thank you for sticking it out to the end of another Stock to Off-Road Machine video. Hit up the comment section down below, tell us what you thought of it. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell, that subscribe button, and give us a thumbs up if you like that video.